Look at this, guys. This is the one that Weirton Elevator 95 filmed. We're in the High Valley General Hospital, elevator mechanical. And we're going to ride 2 elevators in this building. There's a Schindler and a ThyssenKrupp. And this is very nice.
You have to find out what way you go to the main hospital.
There's a skywalk on too. We're going to ride this though, because this is very nice. Elevator. Elevator number, oh, there's a lot of elevators here.
There's a walkway on the second floor.
You go ahead and have a seat there if you want to. You going up? Hello. Go to, listen to the motor. I was going to go up first and I was going to send it back down.
Okay, that's fine.
Thanks. Here we go. Listen to the motor. This is the one that Weirton Elevator 95 filmed. Oh, ThyssenKrupp Signal 4. I'm going to write the Schindler too if I can find it. The one that is, I'll find it and I'll get back to you guys. Thanks, guys. And here you go, Weirton Elevator 95. This is, the Schindler elevator at the High Valley. This is the one. This is the one that Weirton Elevator 95 filmed, but he took off his channel. And this has 2 buttons on the first floor. Up there it is. Silver. Got a 1. Looks a little beat up. Let's get our cab view. Silver. Nice. I'm going to show you the 2 call buttons on this floor. Let me show you the 2 buttons. Alright, here they are. Now look at this. Look at this, son.
You can ride on it. I know. You can ride it, but you have to go up to get the walkway.
Look at these 2 buttons.
Oh my goodness.
Otis from the old series. This is some elevators of the High Valley. Nice. We got this one. Yay, another custom. Got a 5. I think these are hydros. Got a 4. There we go. I think these are hydraulics, so we listen to the motor. It could be traction. Traction. Got a 1. Let's go to 2. I got 4. Yep. That's it for the elevators. Look at this, guys. Here it is. That's slow. It's gonna open up. These are Otis Elevonic. Someone's using it right now. There's our staff only. Oh boy. I'm gonna get caught. There's an old elevator down that way. I'm gonna be busted. It's moving slow. Look at these ones for now. Is this here? Get a few out here.
What you looking for?
Nothing.
Okay.
That's okay. Bye-bye now. Goodbye. Going up? Wow. Going. Oh, look. See you, man. Goodbye. Oh, look at this elevator. No, this one is restricted. Hello. This is like, hello. What's up? I don't need anything. Thanks, anyhow, mister.
What's that?
I don't need anything. Thanks, anyhow. Hello. Oh, there's one of them. Wait. Whoa, where are you going? Go up to 6 and some motors. And we're gonna go to 5. Close the door. Okay, here we go. Listen to this. What is hydraulic? I'm an elevator photographer. Nervous. Look at this, guys. We're in the freight elevator now at the High Valley. Look how nice this is. Wow. Cool. I'm not supposed to be in here though. Probably gonna get thrown out of here riding this. Hello. How you doing? We gotta close the door when we're done. We always hold the door closed when we're done. There we go. I'm in an elevator. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah. Oh, whoopsie. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. You're on the high
5 floors here.
Go down to B. Are we moving? Go to 2.
There's tons of elevators in here. I've already been on 2 myself. 3.
Guess what I saw in the hallway?
Huh?
Save it for the end though. Here it's come to an elevator at a High Valley General Hospital. This is the staff elevator. And I don't have permission to ride it. That's it. The elevator to school nursing in High Valley.
Brian, if you don't meet me here, I'm going to go get that security guard because we're not allowed running around like this. Okay?
Okay, look at this. We're gonna go to 4 and listen to the motor if we can. If it's hydraulic, we'll listen to the motor. Okay, we go to 4. Probably hydraulic. Yep, partial. One. Here are. Otis is the one at Tisson Elevator 95 filmed. Wait. No, not that one. I don't have an elevator. That's it. Here's a dumbwaiter at the hospital. Guess what? I don't know the brand of it. Is it here? Maybe I have to push B. Here it comes. Look at the dumbwaiter. There we go. Put it open. How about G? Here it is. There we go. This is a look at a dumbwaiter at a hospital at Tisson Elevator 90. I didn't even know about. I'm not going to open it up. Here's a look at the dumbwaiter. Right to the back up to free. Oh, here's the electrical.